When Jesus' friends arrived at the tomb, they found out that he was not there. This story that we know so well, this resurrection moment, is real, and there's nothing left to fear, not even death itself, nothing left that can keep us bound to the kind of person we have been up to now. We are living in a world in the midst of rescue, in the midst of possibilities that are more than we can hope or imagine. Resurrection is real. Resurrection happened to Jesus, and resurrection can happen to each and every one of us. We experience God when we come here. We experience God in the beautiful faces of one another, and in the love that we share, and in the love that we carry out these doors to a world that needs this good news so desperately. We experience God, and it is in that experience that we know this Easter story is real. The promise is real. The resurrection is real, and new life can be ours. New life can be ours. The tomb is empty, and we hear the good news. Go and tell the disciples and Peter, and you, and you, and you. New life is ours. Jesus has gone ahead of us. Now, all we have left to do is follow. Happy Easter.